All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about cross-origin. Let me try that again. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about cross-origin resource sharing. I can't even spit it out. Let me try again. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about cross-origin resource sharing. Okay, so let's click on the search button here, and we're going to type that in. So cross-origin resource sharing. Okay, so let's click on this one right here. There you are. Okay, so cross-origin sharing is a mechanism that uses additional HTTP headers to tell browsers to give a web application running at one origin access to selected resources from a different origin. A web application executes a cross-origin HTTP request when it requests a resource that has different origin, domain, protocol, or port from its own. Okay, for security reason, browsers restrict cross-origin HTTP requests initiated from scripts. For example, XML HTTP request and the fetch API follow the same origin policy. This means that the web application using those APIs can only request resources from the same origin the application was loaded from, unless the response from the origins include the right CORS headers. Okay, so the main request defines origin. Okay, so get main page, get layout, get image, get PNG, get web font. Okay, so that comes from domain B, and from domain A, you get the image, the layout, and the page. Okay, so the CORS mechanism supports secure cross-origin requests and data transfer between browsers and servers. Modern browsers use CORS and APIs such as XML HTTP request or fetch to mitigate the risks of cross-origin HTTP requests. So what it's doing is it's doing a cross-origin of HTTP requests. So it's grabbing from two servers instead of one. And part of the reason why they're doing that is to optimize the experience, because if you're pulling everything from one server and there's a lot of data that you're pulling, it's going to slow it down. So that's why they're utilizing that type of request. You pull it from two different sources, it loads twice as fast. Okay, so that is cross-origin resource sharing. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.